Hi everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you an online haul, my monthly kit from Spellbinders, and I went to Tuesday morning today. And it's funny because I took a picture of my bag when I got in the car with my Tuesday morning goodies in it, and I posted it on Instagram, and I thought, I wonder how long it's been since I've been to Tuesday morning. I know I haven't gone there for at least a few weeks. And I looked back on my videos and it's been 1 month today. I went on July 11th or 12th, not July, June 12th. And today, well, tomorrow will be June 12th. So 1 month and 1 day off, whatever. But isn't that funny? I had not planned that. I really needed to go to the bank, deposit a check. And yeah, so I thought I'm going to jump in there. It's been a while. So I'm going to share that with you in a moment. And first, I'm going to share with you my Spellbinders small die of the month and the large die of the month. This is a really good deal. And Nichol Spohr, she's one of my favorite crafters here. I'll put the link to her channel down below. You probably all already know about her. But I love her videos, and she's on the Spellbinder design team, and she created a card using these little critters, using the kitty cat, and she put it in the Spellbinder truck die that you can get. She tucked it in there. So this is actually made to go with that. It's like a companion piece, companion die set to go with their truck. So you've got a little puppy and a little kitty. You've got their ears and their little bodies, their tails, and then you get the eyes, the nose, the face, you know. And what's really cute is they give you fish bones for the cat and just regular bones for the dog. I think that is so cute. It says besties, and then what is this? Besties forever. So cute. And then this one, it's the large die of the month. It's called Fun Time Cruiser. And it's a 3D bicycle. So it makes a collapsible card. So when you send it, it can pop back open. And there you can see the little basket. And they put the critters in there and the flowers that come in the die set. Now, I thought about making one of these little bicycles for me and setting it up in my craft room, because if you're familiar with me and my channel, you have heard me say probably up 10 times how much I love bicycles. So I was tickled pink with that. Speaking of bicycles, when I went to Tuesday morning today, they had these little fabric kits. Now, mind you, what I'm going to share, you might have seen on other videos, but I haven't. I've only watched a couple of small Tuesday morning hauls, because I am not wanting to buy things that I'm not going to use. And I mentioned last month when I went that I only bought a few items, and I put items back because I don't want to just buy things because they're on sale or they're paper crafting. I want to buy them because I will actually use them. And that's what I did again today. I had quite the pile of items, and then I went through it all before I went to the checkout, and I realized I really don't think I'm going to use this. I already have this, or or something similar, and so I put items back. But this I don't have. It's called Needle Creations Make It Easy Peasy, and it's the bicycle. So it's a fabric canvas. It's got the bicycle on there, and it comes with the floss. Let's see, embroidery floss, and a needle, and easy to follow instructions. So that'll be fun. I used to do a lot of embroidery and crewel work and cross stitch and all of that. It's been years, but I still love to do it. I just haven't done it for a long time. So that's going to be fun to make that. And it says live simply, and then put that up here in my room. Now, on to the other goodies I picked up at Tuesday morning. I purchased a couple of these. It says Magnet Studio. I'm not sure why it says Magnet Studio. But they're just, you just pop them out. Maybe it's for a letterboard or something. easily personalize your magnetic message board with alpha cling letters. Well, I bought these for scrapbooking. I don't have a letter board or a message board or whatever, but I bought these for scrapbooking. I love the patterns on them, and they're so pretty. I bought 2 because even though they have like 3 A's, they only have 2 B's, and my last name starts with B, and you know, you need extra letters whenever you're scrapbooking. Okay, so I purchased the pink paisley. Turn the page from Paige Evans. Get it? Turn the page from Paige Evans. So cute. I have the ephemera for this paper pad, and there are the patterns. Again, you guys have probably seen them already, but I have the cups there, and they are really pretty, the ephemera for the cups. I'm trying to find the cups. There they are. So I shouldn't say ephemera for the cups. I have ephemera that's in the shape of these cups. Really, really pretty. And then I bought the little mini tassels. I figured these would go good in Happy Mail for people that like to create their own charms and whatnots. And then I picked up a bunch of thickers. I love this one. I got one. I don't know that they had another one. They had a lot of items out, new items. Like I said, I've not been there for a month. And then they had 3 carts filled to the brim, just sitting there in the middle, right by the crafting stuff. And it was filled with crafting supplies, but I moved them over to get to these babies. So these are so pretty. I just love them. And then I picked up these stickers, Dear Lizzie ones, and I'm holding it that way, hoping, but I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see a little bit of sparkle. They have just a touch of sparkle on them. Super pretty in that sage green, and it's got print on it. And I picked up some gold's underneath, silver thickers, and then stickos. They're not thickers, but you know, they're pretty much the same thing. In the gold. That's all for scrapbooking. That's what I was thinking. I need more thickers for my scrapbooking. And then looking, my favorite Maggie Holmes line is the Bloom line. I love it. And it's been my favorite for years. So I was tickled pink to find these stickers. Now she actually, not she, but they, Tuesday morning had 3 of these stickers. So I took 2. And I was polite, and I left one for somebody else, for another person that loves Maggie Holmes. The Bloom. It's just so beautiful. I loved everything about this. And then I picked up the Dear Lizzie stickers as well. Bicycles, birds. Really, really cute. The little camper. So those are my hauls. Just a few things from Tuesday morning. And my Spellbinder dies came in, and I want to say really quick that if you watched my video on Saturday, I'm participating in Dawn H Creates collaboration Christmas in July. I mentioned that I'm doing a giveaway, and I shared the dies that I'm adding, and each Saturday I'll add something else to the box for the giveaways. If you've left a comment, please don't think me rude for not replying. If you're new to my channel, I thought I would say this. Most people that watch my channel and participate in my giveaways, they know that I don't reply to comments on my giveaway videos. It just makes it easier if I have to write down the names or if I'm using YouTube random comment picker. And one more thing is that my Martha Stewart desk came in. We picked it up at the store. We ordered it online. It took a couple of weeks, and it came into the store, and my husband was here over the 4th and put it together, and that's what I'm sitting right here by. We moved the large IKEA desk on the side, so it's on the side of this. And this is my second Martha Stewart desk, and I could not say more wonderful things about it. It is just fantastic furniture. I really love it. My husband won't be here this weekend. He'll be home the following weekend. And so we're going to do another video. He'll be filming and I'll share with you my coloring station. And then I'll show you this new desk. You've already seen it if you've watched my first video where I shared my IKEA rolling cart, the Raskog cart, my Martha Stewart desk, and the Michaels cart. And in the following video, I shared my Martha Stewart hutch. So yes, it is an investment, but right after we bought this, I think it went on sale like $50 off. So I'm not sure if it still is or not, but isn't that how it goes? You know, you buy something and then it goes on sale afterward. But my husband did a wonderful job putting it together and I love it. So I hope you all will come back this Saturday and watch my video where I share some more Christmas cards that I've been making. And this weekend our theme is traditional or vintage, if I remember right. So yep, I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day and have a fantastic weekend. If you don't come by Saturday, I hope you have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.